If the thought of buying that frozen mashed cauliflower makes your stomach jump in the negative fashion, then you're in the right spot, because I'm Dietitian Shelly. Hello, welcome. I specialize in low carb recipes for all of my diabetics, of course, those with PCOS and pre-diabetes. And we're gonna make an amazing mashed cauliflower dish that's gonna make you do some cartwheels. Probably not cartwheels, but maybe you'll do them in your head after you take a bite, because I promise it is delicious. So subscribe for more fabulous low carb recipes, and hey, even some tips to help with your blood sugar levels. You already see I started with our cauliflower. This is a head of cauliflower. Yes, it has been washed. Head of cauliflower. Tell me how to peel this. One beautiful thing about me, y'all, is that we go to the Walmart, the Kroger, and we sure as heck don't have any kind of fancy kitchen equipment in here. A lot of this stuff's been hand-me-downs, and I'm all about that. I appreciate that. I'm just using my knife. If there's something else that I could use, you just let me know. Now, the beauty of this recipe is that we are just cutting this cauliflower. It doesn't have to be in a specific shape. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Just cut it. Just cut it. Cup of cauliflower. 5 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber. That's why this is so popular on a low carb plan. The problem is that it's pretty bland. So we do have to spice it up, and I'm okay. I get that. You know, it's okay for us to think of food as bland. Everybody's like, oh my gosh, I have to love it. No, we may have to add some flavor to it, and that's what this dish is all about. Go ahead and put that chopped cauliflower in our pot of boiling water for approximately 20 minutes. Once that 20 minutes is up, go ahead and strain it. Get yourself a little facial, because it will be hot. And we're going to return it back to our pot. Now we're going to add to this 2 tablespoons of butter. Please use 100% butter. Half of our block of cream cheese. Now this is where we get a lot of questions. Can I use the low-fat cream cheese? I am all about saving calories, and I'm all about using, if there's a lighter product, but please just double check the ingredients and the carbs on that. Make sure they don't add sugar. These food companies are notorious for that, so be careful. The good news about cream cheese, a lot of the lighter versions, and particularly Horizon, still low in carbs, so you will be okay. I'm adding to this Redmond real salt. That is my seasoning of choice. I also love my Tony's. I'm Cajun, I don't measure. Sorry. But in all reality, gang, for some of y'all who are going to say, I can't do salt, can I do something else? Please do. Please do. This is not an argumentative page. This is a page where I want things to be beautiful for you. And here's the new ingredient, pumpkin. Now, I'm going to be first to tell you, I don't do the pumpkin spice. I don't do any of that pumpkin stuff that everybody does in fall. But in this recipe, it is amazing. It adds just, I can't explain the flavor that it adds to it, but it's beautiful. Half a cup, 10 grams of carbs. Now, don't panic. 3 grams of fiber, 7 net carbs. Take our trusty potato masher and go ahead and mash. It's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes. And what you're going to get is this amazing cream potato with such a pure, nice flavor that you're never going to buy that freezer mashed cauliflower again. If you were too busy laughing, instead of writing down the recipe, scroll in the description box. I'm Dietitian Shelly. Thank you so much. Would love it if you subscribe.